In this video, you'll learn how to fix a WordPress 443 forbidden error. This error typically indicates that access to the requested resource is forbidden, often due to permission settings or server configurations. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to troubleshoot and resolve this issue effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Google and press enter. This will direct you to the Google homepage where you can carry out the necessary troubleshooting steps. It is essential to ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid delays during this process. Once you are on the Google homepage, locate the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options for browser settings and tools, which will help you in clearing your browsing data. Next, from the drop-down menu, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section allows you to manage your browser's data privacy settings. Once this option is selected, you will be taken to a new page dedicated to privacy options, including data management. After that, look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data and click on it. A new window will appear, offering you choices regarding what data you wish to clear. It is recommended to select a time range that suits your needs, such as all time, to ensure a thorough clearing. Following this, ensure that the checkbox next to cached images and files is selected. This step is crucial as cached data can often lead to conflicts and errors, including the 403 forbidden error. Once you have made your selections, proceed by clicking on the Clear Data button. Once the clearing process is complete, return to your browser and navigate to your WordPress site. In the address bar and press enter. This will take you back to your site, allowing you to check if the 403 forbidden error has been resolved. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.